Hey everybody, I am Tony Bancroft, co-director of Disney's Mulan. Worked at Disney for a ton of time doing 2D animation, pencil on paper, Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, Lion King, worked on all of those, but now I've become more of a digital artist, and because of that, I'm super excited to talk about, yes, Xencelabs has given me a pen display 16 here to do an unboxing, and I want to get into it. You want to join me? Let's check out Xencelabs' new awesome technology here. Okay, so it's got this beautiful box. Already I can see that it's well designed. Oh yeah, there we go. There it is, there it is, there it is. Okay. The first thing I could see is that they give you a nice little thank you card. You're welcome. I'm glad to have it, so thank you for that. And then for all of us artists, we need a nicely illustrated thing that we could simply follow, right? So this is the explanation of what's in the container, it looks like, in the bundle. And the bundle includes a lot of different things that's unique to this bundle too. So it's got a QR code on here. I love that, new technology, beep. So everything looks really quick. This really checks out well. Oh, but here it is, this is it. Look at that. It comes in this nice, beautiful little cloth container here to protect the Xencelabs Display 16. There it is. The first thing you notice when you pull this out, this is the game changer, guys. This is what I love about what Xencelabs has done with their new Pen Display 16, that it has the etched glass. The etched glass is really cool, especially for me, who comes from 2D animation where I was doing pencil on paper, and I really like that feel of the texture of the paper. They've gotten it right like no other. Other tablets I've used before, I'm sliding all over the place. Oh no, where am I going? But this has a nice texture to it that really keeps my stylus really in place, that I get the detail I need. But it's also, not only does it look cool, and they've won awards for this display, I gotta say, but not only does it look cool and it's super light, but it's also got 4K resolution and OLED display too. It is beautiful colors. Looks super cool, and it's light. Love that, very portable. But there's more in the bundle, check this out. So there's also this, the easel that comes with it. Very simple, very light for on the go. So there's two that are included here. This one, and with this one it pops out. It's a little bit more shallow angle. It's designed specifically for my tablet to fit on there. I tend to like the deeper one, I gotta say, because I like something that's kind of more in my face when I'm drawing. Get it up in my face. So I love that. Then this little piece of paper comes out. Oh, wow. Okay, so the first thing I see right here is beautiful. Look, everything's protected too, isn't that cool? But this is our pens that we can use. Look at that, it comes in this, oh, beautiful case. There's not only one, but there's two different pens that we can use here. This is what they call the thin pen, and it has two different buttons here that are like hotkeys, so you can like bing, 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 and undo, or whatever, however you program it. Both pens have an eraser on the end, because we're not perfect, we get things wrong, right? Yep, even me. Look at there, this one is the 3-button pen that comes with the eraser on the end. It's a little thicker grip. Some people really like this. I tend to like the thin pen, that's just me because it feels more like a pencil. But this one has 3 buttons on it. Nibs here too, extra ones that are soft and hard, but you got a full supply of those there too. Love that. Then we also have here, what is this now? Okay, wait, I know. This is your quick keys that you can, it has a little dial here and some buttons here. You can pre-program all these to use with any kind of software that you use to undo, to change things, do gradients, all kinds of things like that. Love this. This is really gonna make you more productive. That's what that's designed to do. And then they got, oh yes. So this is the hub that comes with the pen display, and this hub is designed to use different kind of connectors here and also to plug it in. So you got a display port here, you got an HDMI, it quickly clicks in here. It also helps the display to have more brightness too. When you connect this to the wall, you're gonna have a brighter display and it's gonna look great. This is a game changer too for me. Being on the go, you just want one cord, right? So this one is gonna plug right into that display, boom, 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 right into my laptop, and I'm on the go with one cord. Now, if that's not enough for you, I gotta say, they also in this bundle have given you these cool pin clips here that fit on the top. They can fit on the side. You can use them wherever you want. I like it on the side because I like to be able to grab, boom. Reminds me of my animation desk in the old days of Disney. They got 2 of those. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay, so all the cables you would ever want. Right there. Look at that. You don't have to go out and buy and look for a bunch of different cables. They're supplying you with any kind of cable that you want for any connection with an old computer, a new computer. Oh, and on top of it, any kind of universal plug-in too for Europe and Asia and all these different places here. You don't have to go out and find one. It's ready to go in the bundle. This third envelope here has, well, of course, a cool little sticker. I like to put these on my thermoses. Those are awesome. Oh, a glove. Yes, a lot of people like to wear these gloves too and just draw. It keeps it a little bit smoother, but also keeps those marks off the pen display. And if you do have marks on the pen display, it also comes with a cool cleaning cloth. And what everybody loves, not to read, but also to have, is the warranty. That is fitting right in there too. That's all there in this bundle. But wait, I think there's one more thing. When I pulled this off, it was kind of heavy, and now I see why. Oh my goodness, yes. As if it wasn't enough to get all this stuff, but now you have something to put it in too. They also give you in the bundle a cool bag to carry it in. Everything fits in here, all the different cables. There's different pockets in here. It's all lined and thick to protect your pen display. It's got even different ways to connect it to your luggage here, or you can hold it here. It's even got a strap to take it on the go. I gotta say, this is pretty cool. Xencelabs has thought of everything and listening to the artist's needs. They've designed the perfect pen display, but then also the great bundle that has everything that you'll need for an artist that's on the go, trying to create, being creative on the go. This is what you guys need. Check out Xencelabs Pen Display 16 today.